Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. I'm coming to you today with another unboxing and product review video for you. You may have noticed that I recently upgraded computers. I'm still using a MacBook Pro, however these latest models, unbeknownst to me at the time, they literally only have 2 ports on them, and both of which are USB-C ports. So the camera that I record these videos on uses an SD card. Well, my old MacBook computer had an SD slot. This one doesn't. So the other day I walked into my boss's office and I asked him if he had a SD card reader that plugs into a USB-C port. And he handed me this HyperDrive hub. What this does is it has these 2 plugs here that plug into both of your USB-C ports on your laptop. And in it, you have 7 other ports. You have 2 USB-C ports, so you don't lose the 2 that it's occupying. You have a micro SD reader, a standard SD reader, 2 standard USB ports, and up here at the top, you have an HDMI port as well. This HyperDrive USB-C hub came in on Amazon at about $80, and I'm going to have that link down in the description below. But let's open it up and take a look at it. So here on the front of the box you can see that the HDMI port is capable of transferring at 4K resolution. Your USB-C will transfer at up to 50 gigs per second, which is incredibly fast. And like I mentioned before, it does have 7 ports on it. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Oh, that's cool. Comes with a little sleeve for it. That's nice. You know, because you're not going to keep it plugged into your laptop at all times. So, you know, keeps dust and stuff out of the ports, which is nice. The HyperDrive hub is incredibly lightweight. You can see here you have your 2 USB-C ports. So that way when it plugs into the 2 USB-C ports on your laptop, you don't lose these ports. You can use one to charge your MacBook Pro and then one to connect a device to it, or if your MacBook is already charged, connect 2 USB-C devices to it. You have your standard SD card reader, your micro SD card reader, and your 2 USB 3.1 ports right here. And again, your HDMI port right there at the tip of it. So, let's plug it in. So it fits right into these 2 ports, and it's nice. It's almost seamless. It goes up to the same length as your laptop itself and is flush with your computer, which is nice. And it lights up here to let you know that it's connected. And then you have all of your ports here and your HDMI port right there at the top. Alright, so now I want to check the transfer rate for myself. So I'm going to plug this external hard drive into one of the USB 3.1 ports. And I'm going to transfer a few clips from one of my other YouTube videos to see how long that takes. Wow, that's actually incredibly fast. And that's it. Alright y'all, so that was the HyperDrive USB hub for the MacBook Pro. Again, this one came in at about $80 on Amazon, and I'm going to have that link down below. It is a little pricey, however the transfer rate was screaming fast, and it has everything you need on it. I should note that there are other options available from the same brand on Amazon. They had an 11-in-2 one available. I don't know what that one had that this one didn't. Maybe a couple extra USB ports. I'm not sure. I just bought the one that I thought best suited my needs. So again, I'm going to have that link down below. Alright, well, if you guys have any questions on what other kind of tech gadgets would best suit you for what you're trying to do, feel free to reach out to us at onesupport.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching, guys.